Shri Parasakthi Vidyalaya Cbse Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. In this class, we are going to see about grammar lesson 7. The topic of the lesson is subordinating conjunction. Okay, all of you take your grammar book and take page number 32 in your grammar book. Dear students, page number 32, subordinating conjunction. First, we should clear about what is meant by conjunction. Already we studied in the previous classes. Conjunction means a joining word. Yes, it is used to join a two words with meaningful. The same definition, listen. A conjunction or a connector is a word which joins two words, phrases, classes, or sentences. So any two things like it may be a phrases or classes or sentence. The uses of connector is to join and make it meaningful. It is never connected with an object. It never qualifies a word. It simply joins a words or sentences. So the role of conjunction, it is only connected or join the word, but it not describe or qualify anything in the sentence. Okay. There are three types of conjunctions or connector. It is also known as connector. What are they? Coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, and subordinating conjunctions. So the coordinative and correlative conjunctions we already studied in the previous topics. Here we will learn about subordinating conjunction. So already the three types of conjunctions are the coordinating, correlative, and subordinating. In this session we are going to learn about subordinating. It is a third type we should learn today. Okay. Conjunctions which join the subordinate class, it's a principal class, are called subordinating conjunction. Listen. Conjunction which join the subordinate class, which word it is used to join the subordinate class to the principal class, the main class. It is known as a subordinating conjunction. So read the definition one more time. Okay. Look at the following examples. Below they are given one box. Listen. First box they are given about the principal class, and second subordinating conjunction, and third subordinating class. Listen it. First one, I doubt. Here, if subordinating class, he would pass. The same like there are 10 sentences given. If you read, you can clearly understood about the examples. Okay. Again I repeat, subordinating conjunction. First we know about conjunction. Conjunction is just a joining word, but it not qualify a word. It is a main role of conjunction just to join your two words. So there are three types of conjunction: coordinating, correlative, and subordinating. In this session we are going to learn about subordinating. Okay, take page number 33. Page number 33. Some subordinating conjunctions of common use are. So which are the conjunction used for the commonly? Given one box. See the box. Which are the words? Who, whom, whose, what, when, where, and why. All the question words. And how, if, till, until, while, that, then. Lest, since, because, before, after, though, although, whether. Whenever, wherever, whoever, as, if, as though, so that, as soon as. Remember these all types of conjunction. This is known as subordinating conjunctions. Okay. Now, uses of some subordinating conjunction. So, in where are the places it is used? Now we can learn. First one, unless and if. Unless means if not. Unless must never be confused with if. Don't use not with unless. So only use the positive with the if. If not, don't we not use in the unless. Okay. If can be followed by not in the sense demands. First one, Unless you work hard, you can't pass. Second one, if you do not work hard, you can't pass. Both are same mean, but what is the difference you should learn? If you use unless, it is never confused with if. Don't if you use means it is not used with unless. So the example, unless you work hard, if you are not work, you can't pass. The same meaning given the second sentence also. Okay, so clear about unless and if. Until or till, as long as, so long as, while. So identify the difference. Until, up to the time when. Until you are not finished, till now, the same thing. Until denotes some point of time. As long as, so long as, while. During the time that, these words denote the period of time. Which are they? As long, so long, while. These three words denote the time. And the until, up to the time. Okay. There are 7 examples given. First two we can see now. Go straight on till you come to the post office and then turn left. And second one, until you told me, I had heard nothing of it. So these are the examples you just read and understood it. And third one, because, so that, in order that. Because it is used to show the reason. So it is used to express a cause or a reason. So that used to express a purpose. Difference. I understood the difference. Because it is used to express the reason, and so that express the purpose of the reason. First one, he failed because he did not work hard. Understood clearly. He failed because he did not work hard. Second one, he worked hard so that he might win a scholarship. So, understand the difference between because and so that. Okay. Page number 34. Next, we can see about since. Since, when used as a conjunction, when it is used, never preceded by a verb in the past indefinite and always follow the verb in the past indefinite tense. Okay. First one, 2 months have passed since he came here. And second one, it has been 2 weeks since my examinations were over. And next topic, before, if, until, unless, while, when. Which are the words? Before, if, until, unless, while, when. These are temporal conjunction. They are never followed by a verb in the future tense. So remember that these types of words never followed by the verb in the future tense. First we should clear about the tense. Here, first one, I will help him if he is in trouble. Second one, the crops will die unless the rains fall. Third one, I shall not let you go until you pay back me my money. And fourth one, I shall give him your message when he comes here. See the examples, you can understood the temporal conjunctions function. It is never followed by a verb in the future sentence. Okay. Next one, that. This conjunction is never used to beginning of the sentence in direct narration. That can be omitted if it is used after the verb of attribution. Said, started, announced, etc. However, it must be used if the words are followed by the verb of attribution might be mistaken of the verb object of the verb. See, it is never used the beginning. It is never used the beginning to direct narration. Okay. But it is omitted after a verb. See the example. He told me that he would be late. So I hope you understood what is the function of that in the sentence. And second one, he said that he was tired. So denote, it used to denote. Next word, lest. Lest means to avoid the risk of the conjunction is always followed by the auxiliary should. So remember these points. After the auxiliary verb should, the word lest it's used. Walk fast lest you should miss the train. And second one, I did not talk to him lest he should be angry. The first one, it used to avoid the risk of conjunction. It is always used with the should. And next one, no other or rather. Rather means to indicate one's preference. These words are followed by than. First one, no other than Mohan did this missive. Second one, I would rather die than beg. Rather and no other. Where it is used, remember that. Next, as to. It equal to about and concerning. As to should be used only in the beginning of the sentence or emphasis. As to your brother, I will deal with him later. Second one, I don't know as to why he failed. It is a wrong or incorrect. The correct sentence is I don't know why he failed. So, dear students, we are seeing the uses of subordinating conjunction, which are the words unless, if, until, as long as, while, because, so that, in order that, since, before, if, until, unless, while, when, that, less, no other, and rather, as to is equal to about. Okay. Now all of you take a page 35. Page number 35. The first exercise given to you. Test yourself. Choose the correct alternatives. There are 12 sentences given. It is your homework today. You mark it. Next class we can discuss the answer. Below that, use of subordinating conjunction in accompanying sentences. So which are they? As it is used to join two sentences when as is equal to because, and second one as is equal to at the time of when. So we can see one example. First one, it is raining, I shall not go to the office. As it is raining, I shall not go to the office. So understood the difference between the first and the second sentence. For the second one, as is equal to at the time of when. First example, I reached the railway station, the train started. Here we can use as I reached the railway station, the train started. So this type of conjunction used to accompanying in the sentence, we should clearly understood the difference between the first and the second sentence. Okay, take page number 36. Page number 36. For equivalent and accompanying sentences are given in this page. We can see the one example for each. Third one, as is equal to during the time of when. See the example, she worked, she sang. Here it is used to change she sang as she worked. Then only it is combining or it is used to complete. Okay. And fourth one, as is equal to just after the time when. See the example, the sun rises, the fog disappear. How you should write? As the sun rises, the fog disappears. Fifth one, as is equal to in the same way. First one, see the example, he ordered me, I did the work likewise. So how you should write? I did the work as he ordered me. Clear? Sixth one, as equal to just like. See the example. Sita is tall, Geeta is equally tall. How you should write? Geeta is as tall as Sita. Clear? And next, since is used to combine two sentences when. Since and because, already we see in the previous page. I was busy, I could not meet him. This sentence you should write, since I was busy, I could not meet him. both the words are same. And second, since equal to from that time till now. So how you should use Mohan went to Delhi. He has not written to me after that. Here you can write Mohan has not written to me since he went to Delhi. So understood the difference between the first and the second sentence. Second one is a correct maybe. Okay, it is only aptly given the meaning. And last, while is used to combine two sentences when while is equal to during that period. He was playing in the garden, his sister was working. Here you should write while he was playing in the garden, his sister was working. For each sentence I read and explain the first example, and you should read clearly all the examples and understood the topic more clearly. Okay, take next page. Page number 37. While is equal to but. He likes tea, but his brother likes coffee. Here we should write he likes tea while his brother likes coffee. And than is used to combine two sentences when. Than is equal to in comparison with. See the example. Rani is intelligent. Anu is more intelligent. How we can write Anu is more intelligent than Rani. It is used to combine. Second one, than is equal to immediately after that. We reached the station, the train arrived. Here we should write, no sooner had we reached the station than the train arrived. I hope you should understood. And third one, than is equal to take better. He would work, he would not beg. He would work rather than beg. That's it. And just then can be used with the meaning of when to combine two sentences. We pray to God for rain. Suddenly the dark clouds appeared in the sky. Here we should write, we pray the God for rain, and just then dark clouds appeared in the sky. Because it's used to at the beginning of the subordinating class to tell the reason. Just is an adverb. It is used to emphasize some word. Okay, take page number 38. Page number 38, the last example. Because is equal to since. Just because is equal to only for this reason. The first one, it was raining, I took a taxi. Because it was raining, I took a taxi. Second one, he stole, he liked stealing. He stole just because he liked stealing. That's all. So that's all, my dear students. I hope you all understood the subordinating conjunction. Again, I recap. Conjunction means just a joining word. It is not or never qualifies a word. It is used to join the two words, two phrases or classes in the sentence. Okay. So many uses of subordinating conjunction we can see in the lesson. I hope you all understood it clearly. Of course, you read it again and again. You should understood. Okay. Now, test yourself. This is a book back exercise given in your book, page number 38. So, first one, complete the following sentence. There are 10 sentences given. So, use the correct subordinating conjunction. And second one, rewrite the sentence using so that or in order that as shown. There are 10 sentences given. Okay, do that. Page number 39. Third Roman, join the sentence using as or so long as. And fourth one, fill in the blanks with a suitable subordinating conjunction. And fifth one, combine the following pairs of sentence using the sentence connectors given in the bracket. So that's all. So dear students, we completed lesson 7 today. So you do all the book exercise, test yourself exercise in your home today. Next class we can discuss the answer in this lesson. Thank you.